Myths of meditation, number 1. Meditation is so difficult. It's actually a common misconception that meditation is really difficult to learn. I think this myth comes from many of the meditation references that we see and read in literature and pop culture, and it just isn't true. Meditation is very easy to learn and can be picked up in less than an hour. In fact, I was originally taught in around 15 minutes. Those 15 minutes inevitably changed my life. As with all things, however, if you want to delve deeper, there is always more to learn. With so many different types of meditation out there, it really could take a lifetime to truly master them all. Even with all the research and learning that I've done over the years, I still come back to the simplest forms of meditation, and it's those that give me the greatest benefits. Download my free ebook, 16 Myths of Meditation, to learn the truth behind other myths you may have heard.